Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex with a Westerly Konsort that we are currently advertising with an exterior and underwater profile video. This engine has been recently replaced. You can see it's a new shaft as well. It's a rope cutter. New anodes, recently anti-fouled. The owner will be pressure washing the boat, giving her a little clean up. The trolley is available as well as a launching trolley. As you can see, just needs a little polish. If you visit our webpage at boatshedessex.com, you'll find more information there and details for the boat and media. It's a bit of a wet day today, so we haven't got that lovely sun we usually see. If you give us a call or send us an email, we'll be delighted to arrange a viewing for you and answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much.